Okay, just to remind the audience, this is a random numbers, yeah?
Okay.
It's a random.
May we call on Kay Centeno, Teresa Quizon, Nani Tamayo, Ian Mizay, Cristina Vargas O'Sullivan, Marlon Eusebio, Haji Rogelio to please award the winner for third runner-up.
The winner for third runner-up from Miss Glamour. The third runner-up goes to Miss March!
Irene!
Irene!
Okay, for the second.
Can I call Miss Erica Rubat from New Skin to come up on the stage as well for the awarding for the top 5?
Okay, next prize is second runner-up. Second runner-up.
Just come up because you're supposed to be up there.
Okay. Karima Harrison, Teresita Hartaleza, Amy James, Jonah James, and Linda Celestial to award the second.
Erica Grubat from New Skin, can you come up on the stage, please?
Second runner-up.
Ano ba yung pangalan ng Miss December?
If you remain, Erica, on the stage, please, for the rest of the awards.
Okay, second runner-up, Miss Glamour UK 2015 is Miss January Marilu. Okay, we'd like to remind all of you, kung meron pong if somebody found the Samsung Note 3, kung pwede lang po, if you could return the Oyster card or the debit card. If you return the debit card, we will give you the PIN number. Okay, our next prize, may we call on Noreen Aviles, Imelda Edwards, Paul Salazar, Imelda Lita Walpo, and Gloria Edmalin Bangilan to award the prizes for the first runner-up.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up for Miss Glamour 2015 is Manto October
Cherry. Okay, third runner-up was Miss March Irene. Second runner-up, Miss January Marilu. First runner-up is October Cherry. But before we announce the winners of the last two prizes, Miss Charity and Miss Glamour UK.